Um, Everywhere I would order paneer dishes and try and create those recipes, not the restaurant style, because my idea was to capture the masses and cook the same food in a healthier way, minus that extra oil. Up to restaurants are also very careful, don't put so much oil, but earlier there was a lot of oil. So I would minus that oil, minus that spicy things, and put nice good ingredients, healthy ingredients with paneer, and made a book on paneer. That was Paneer All the Way. That book was really a hit. It was very well received by the people, and I printed 5,000 copies, and in I think about a month's time I was told to reprint more. So that was what really made me. I guess it was the right, you have to see, everyone works, but then you should work, you should think before you work. What is that people would want? Not what, when I write, I don't see what I like. I always think what my readers would want. So I think that clicked, the book size, the ingredient paneer, and then there was no looking back then. So many books followed. That's it. And paneer I wrote very fast. I took about maybe 2 months to write. Whereas the first book I took 1.5 years to write. Now I can write a book in 15 days because there's so much of experience and I have my staff helping me. So it goes much faster now.
When was it that you first, published the book? Which year?
This was 94.
94. And when did you begin your cookery classes?
85.
85.
So about 8 to 10 years I was busy with my classes. So I had a good experience about practical experience with cooking when I was taking my classes.
Okay. And what was the strength of your first class?
Strength was about since the place wasn't too big, I couldn't hold too many girls, but I couldn't send back also because many flowed in and I had to literally say there's no place. It was about 30 and you won't believe it was in that room and तब नहीं यहीं पे था. हाँ, this was the kitchen and यहाँ पर window sill सी थी and people would sit on the window sill also and watch. They said we'll sit on the window sill and watch but we're not going back. And कई तो दरवाजे के बाहर से मतलब खड़े होके उधर से भी देख रहे थे बिल्कुल edge पे whatever they could see.
So what is the most memorable incident in your journey to success?
There have been many incidents, but then I've got very nice compliments sometimes, like the young girls who come to me, they say that we feel as if I feel I'm learning from my mother. So I used to give them that comfort level. They used to have that comfort level with me. And I always tell my instructors also, you need to be very approachable. Yahan tak bhi I see that if the person who's sitting on the other side is more comfortable in Hindi, I'll speak in Hindi. I'll see she's more comfortable in English, I'll speak in English. So, and you have to really make them feel that they can ask the silliest of questions from you and nobody's going to laugh at them. So, that was what it is now.
So, what do you think are your sutras for success?
Basically, I feel persistence and hard work. One shouldn't, like the first book didn't do well, and if I had thought, bas ho gaya, that's the end, it would have been the end. But then look forward, and you should be focused. Like I was literally, eating, sleeping, doing everything about cooking. People read cookbooks, people read magazines. I used to read cookbooks as magazines before I went to bed, They would interest me. So you should be passionate about what you do, be persistent, believe in yourself first of all. If you believe in yourself, the others believe in you. And then dream, don't be scared of dreaming because unless you dream, you can't do it. And one more thing which I feel is, mental peace. Now, mental peace only comes when you're happy. And when can you be happy? When you give happiness to others. That's what makes you happy. If you, I keep telling my children, my daughter-in-law and my son, all live together. Many people tell us, aajkal ke time mein, where the children are living. I said, nahi, you have to understand the children, then only the children understand you, and it's kind of unity. If there's unity at home, in any relationship, then only one can prosper. So one should be forgiving, one should try and be happy all the time. You know, ho gaya, just forget things. If anything goes wrong, just forget it. Get over it fast. That's important, I feel. Because unless 1 or 2 days if I'm stressed, I don't create that kind of recipe. My work shows I can't do that kind of work. कभी कभार तो घर में हो ही जाता है. You know, you're living together, so once in a while, maybe with your son, your daughter-in-law, your husband, moods and ho jata hai, but that it affects. So unity and happiness is one thing which is important, I feel, as a woman at least, because women are more compassionate and they are more emotional. Men, if they fight and they, you know, because they're doing it in business all the time, so I think they're used to it, but women can't work like that.
What is the definition of happiness?
Happiness is when you're happy, you're stress free, and when you're not happy, you're very stressed mentally.
And what is the definition of success?
Success is getting what you want. It's not always monetary. It could be a few words of appreciation. It could be monetary, of course. And it could also be happiness and good health.
Okay. So what is, they say behind every successful man is a woman. So behind every successful woman?
There is a man, definitely. And I would say the woman, more than the man, it is the man, your husband in the beginning, but then it's the whole family which supports you. Because, you know, your children are in the beginning, my children were small, I remember when they used to come back from school, I would quickly wind up my class. Maybe sometimes they would need to wait for 5 minutes, but they had the patience to wait. They would see me working, you know, so the children, it's the whole family you need the support. At least in my case, the family and my husband, they've been very supportive. I've been lucky.
Do you have any role model?
Not really, but Martha Stewart I really look up to her.